Hey, my name is Jesus Castillo from rubyguides.com, and if you like Ruby, make sure to subscribe to this channel now, because that will help you get more videos like this and keep improving your Ruby skills. In this video, you're going to learn about Ruby's flags and warnings. When you run one of your Ruby scripts using the Ruby command, there are a few flags that you can pass. What do I mean by flags? Things like this. You can do -c and then you pass your file name, right? And this is the flag, this -c. What does this do? This shows you, it doesn't run your code, it just shows you if you have any syntax errors. So in this case, I don't have any syntax errors, so I get syntax okay. That's the -c flag. But of course, there is other flags, and you can find a full list if you want using ruby-h, and that gives you every possible flag for the Ruby command. Like for example, another that's useful is -v because that prints the current Ruby version. Now, the focus of this video, I wanted to show you the warning flag. So the warning flag is this one, -w, and as it says, it turns warnings on for your script, for your code. I have an example script to demonstrate how this works. This is the code, and it's going to show you 3 warnings: uninitialized variable, not used variable, and interpreted as argument prefix. So let me show you how this works. I can run this with Ruby normally like this, and you can see it works, no errors, no warnings, right? The program is working correctly. But if I pass the -w flag, now we get some warnings. So what are the warnings? Let's work with them one by one. First, we get this instance variable test not initialized. Why do we get this warning? We get it because, of course, it's not initialized and we're trying to print it. So to fix this warning, it's very easy. We just give it some value. For example, it could be nil, can be some other default or initial value that makes sense for your specific program or application. In this case, we fix the warning. As you will see, now that warning is gone because we initialize the value. Now let's look at the next warning. It says sign but not use variable c. Why is this a thing? It's a thing because we are assigning this c equals 1, but we are never using this value. So why do we need it? So of course we can fix it by deleting it if we make sure that it's not needed, or we can use it. So we can do c times 2, and that we also remove the warning. And we have another warning now, and this is in line 10. So notice the other warning is gone, we get a new warning. Possibly useless use of the asterisk. What does it mean? Well, it means that this code is not actually producing any results. So a few fixes, we can print the output of that, right? That's one way to do it. And now we have no warnings. Or you can save the result in another variable. That's another way to solve this. We can do a equals that, and we have no warnings now. And the other warning I wanted to show you is this one, where we're using the splat operator. So the splat operator is when you put a star, an asterisk, in front of a variable name. And what this does is expand an array into its elements. So it's no longer an array, it's the individual elements. And you don't have to do this for puts, because puts already knows how to work with an array. But if we do this, we are going to see a new warning. And this warning says warning asterisk or splat operator interpreted as an argument prefix. Why is this a warning? Because Ruby thinks that you might mean that. And this means a different thing than this. This means that you are calling the times method on this thing. Like if you're doing 1 times 1 or 1 times 5, right? Ruby thinks that you might mean that. But if you don't mean that, then you have to remove the warning by being more explicit. How can you be more explicit? By using parentheses. So let's do that. You can use parentheses, and this will also remove the warning. So you can see again, no warnings. So we have removed all of the warnings, and now we can run with the warning flag without any kind of warnings. But remember that a warning is just information. It doesn't stop your program from working. But it's good to fix these warnings, or at least to be aware what warnings you get with your program, because these might be hidden problems or that might come up in the future, or that you already have and you haven't noticed yet, or things you can improve, right? So it would be a good idea, a best practice, to actually check your warnings once in a while at least and fix them if you can. And for the puts example, it just was an example because puts is very flexible method, but I would almost never put parentheses on puts. And since puts knows how to work with an array, you don't need the asterisk. I just wanted to do that so you can see this specific warning. But I didn't mean to say that you have to call puts like this, right? You don't have to use the splat operator and the parentheses. It's just an example. So that's the warnings flag. And just to quickly review, one of the useful flags is -c, because that allows you to just check the syntax, and it doesn't run any code, it just checks syntax. And then you can do -h to get a list of all of the options, and then -b to get the Ruby version, and finally -w to get a list of warnings for your code. I find that these three flags, these three options, are the most useful, but you might also want to explore some of the other options available to you. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give me a like by clicking the like button below this video, so I know that you like this video. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do that now, because that's going to help you improve your Ruby skills. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.